Hi everyone, it's Josh from TradingWithPriceAction.com, and for today's currency spotlight, we're going to be looking at the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar on the daily chart. What I want to take a look at on this chart is that we've been marking this support resistance line right here for the past couple of days. We've been watching it for price to come up here and act on it. Now, before we get any price action setups or that's coming up on this support line or resistance line right here, I just want to take a look as to why we are considering this such a good support resistance zone. So to begin with, we have multiple touches all throughout here with wicks showing their strength on it. Then if we go back a little bit more, we'll see prices right here dipped down through it a little bit, but then came right back up and stayed above it. Go back a little bit further, we'll see three very good touches. Touches here, touches here, touches here, all respecting this support zone right here. Then if we go back even further, we can see that we have multiple more wicks that have tested this support zone right here. 3 wicks right here, another big wick right here. So as you can see, this is a very strong support resistance zone, and it's proved to be very strong in the past. So now that we have this very strong support resistance zone, we can see we are now looking for price to act upon this support and resistance zone, and we're going to be looking for a trade setup to occur on this. Now, as you can probably see, this bar right here is a daily bar, so it's not done yet. It's about halfway there to being a complete bar, but as you can see right here, as of right now, this is not only a bullish engulfing bar right here so far of the previous bar, it's also a 2-bar reversals. What I mean by that is if you combine these 2 bars right here, these last 2 bars, this bar and then this bar, if you combine those together, you'll get a pin bar that would be rejecting this resistance zone right here. So that's basically 2 trade setups in one, which makes it even better. As you can see, it's a bearish engulfing bar and a 2-bar reversal. So ideally what we're looking for is for prices to come down here and close below here in this area, at least below this second bar right here. So for prices to come down here and close in this area right here would be ideal. If prices do that, we know that with this bearish engulfing bar forming on this strong resistance zone right here, we know that prices are ready to go down because of the strong rejection of price that this bearish engulfing bar is forming. So that is something that I'm going to be keeping a close eye on for tomorrow, and making sure I don't miss any trade steps that form on the Australian dollar or Canadian dollar. So that's it for today's currency spotlight. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be back tomorrow with another currency spotlight. Until then, safe trading.